So you're looking to buy a luxury high-rise condo here in Las Vegas? Well, guess what? We're back. We're back with our after walkthrough of our project here with Paragon Asset Management Group, the premier provider of renovated homes here in Las Vegas. Can't wait to show you what we've done to this unit. Let's jump into this building right now. Hey, I'm Brian Knisley, your local Las Vegas real estate broker. You want to know everything about Las Vegas? Hit that subscribe button below. Smash that notification bell so you're the first one that's going to be notified about the current market here in Vegas. We get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to move to places just like this, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move now, next month, or next year, give us a call, and we're going to jump into this one right now. Let's go. So sitting in the living room, if you guys remember from the last video, pretty boring space in here. So we talked about putting some accents on the wall here. So we did that, put it in our bookcase. And then we also put in the fireplace, TV on the wall, little accent wall there. And then also replaced all of the flooring throughout the unit.
Paragon Asset Management Group did a fabulous job renovating this luxury high-rise condominium located in the esteemed Las Vegas Country Club. The wraparound balcony showcases stunning views of Las Vegas, the Las Vegas Country Club golf course, and Sunrise Mountains. Floor-to-ceiling windows light up the unit that boasts premium upgrades, including engineered hardwood floors, a chef's kitchen, and custom design elements. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom condo spans 1,856 square feet.
Now we're here in the kitchen, and I told you last time this was going to be the biggest transformation of the entire space, and it is. It's beautiful. Basically moved the refrigerator to this wall, put in more cabinets, completely redid the entire kitchen. We got some beautiful textured tile for backsplash, added some wood accents over here, a little contrast, and then we also opened this up. So if you remember, this was a complete wall here. So open this up and now becomes an office / bedroom.
The modern and stylish kitchen has been expanded by relocating the refrigerator, therefore allowing additional space for upgrades that will heighten your senses. Featuring quartz countertops, wood accents on the walls, and a textured backsplash, it invites you to enjoy cooking while gazing onto the amazing views. Opening up the wall and adding French doors transformed this bedroom or office into an essential extension of this contemporary floor plan, enhancing the unit's open concept.
And as usual, we support local artists and display their artwork in our listings. And so this acrylic oil painting is for sale. So if you're interested, reach out. And then here in the primary bedroom, we always like to add accent walls, and then come and check out this view again. This view never gets old. Look down. Are you afraid of heights? Look down. All the way, all the way.
This high-rise condominium is priced at $620,000. While living here at Regency Towers, enjoy access to amenities that include concierge, a heated pool and spa, fitness room, pool cabanas, tennis courts, business center, and 24-hour security within a guard-gated community. Welcome home.
So another one of the big transformation that we made is at the primary bathroom, putting in the floating cabinets and the new shower and the new floor. So take a look. Thanks for coming on the tour with us of our newly renovated high-rise condo right here in Regency Towers. This is the third unit that we've renovated now, so if you're interested in this one, please reach out. Information's below. And again, whether you're looking to move now, next month, or next year, please reach out. We love hearing from you. We'd love to be a resource here for you in Las Vegas. And if you want to see what the before photos look like, or before videos look like of this property, check it out right here. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.